So Lindsay told us about Bathroom House originally. We wanted to get the bathroom done for a while. We've had the house for 2 years now. And yeah, we would, I've known Lindsay for a while. She used to work with my mum years ago, and then she said to us, yeah, just go and talk to Bathroom House, they'll sort you out. So that's exactly what we did. I'd like to take the credit, but it's the missus, not me. So yeah, it was all her idea. She kind of was dead set. I think once she seen kind of like the micro cement stuff that Lindsay had sent us, and then kind of just like, the kind of authentic type of rustic look, essentially. Yeah, once she had that in mind, it was, no stopping it, and I can't deny it. It's really good design. It was really good, yeah, because we went down to Bathroom House and just basically just said, like, this is kind of what we need. We went through the magazines and stuff, went through the websites. We had a rough idea, and also we're trying to align it to like a budget of ours in terms of not letting this get too expensive. Trying to control it, put a lid on it and stuff, and then Bathroom House was really accommodating. We went down late because we both work, we had kids, that kind of stuff, so it was a late night kind of visit. Took us through a load of stuff. Was really flexible, helped us out, gave us ideas. I think the sink was actually an idea suggested in terms of not getting it like a matte white rather than gloss, which was really good. It was a really nice process, and we left really happy. It was the shower that was the most concerning, because previously it was an electric shower. So we didn't think we had enough water pressure to actually get like a proper shower upstairs. So we were thinking we're gonna have to get an electric shower. They don't look great, they look quite ugly. We didn't really want one. Bathroom House did. We're quite accommodating in that, in terms of saying they'll try and supply us a black one that looks quite nice. So we kind of go with that idea. Spoke to Lindsay, and Lindsay did some heroic work in terms of essentially replumbing the mains from the edge of the house. So we replaced all the lead pipe into proper pipes, and we've actually got a proper thermostatic shower, which is just, really adds to the room. I think Lindsay's patience around it was massive, really, because those pipes were a nightmare. I know it took her a while to kind of get it done. It was a bit stop-start. She was under the floorboards for probably 2 days, I think, trying to get it all sorted. I think that, and like just the dedication in terms of getting it right for us, really, in terms of what we want. I think Lindsay was on board with what we wanted to do, and straight away. And she was helping out with kind of chipping in with some ideas for us to do, and kind of going on that route. And we had just I think the patience of it, really, because it turned out to be kind of something that was, I know it's a big job anyway, doing a bathroom renovation, but I think this one was probably one that was probably a bit harder than most, I think, but the results are definitely as satisfying as. I think for me personally, the sink, I think it's a unique style and shape, and just the fact that it's not gloss and matte, I think it's really nice and offset, especially against the mirror, and it just all kind of goes at the angles. I think you can pick many things. The bath's lovely, the way the taps go with the black and the offset and the white and the shower, all of it really. But for me personally, it would be the sink. The most is the fact that I can actually use it now. It's not like the old one that we had. It was such a chore to get in there and get a shower, because it was an electric shower. It was you may as well have a rain drip on your head type of thing. It was, you put it on a temperature to be nice, but it had scald you, or you'd be freezing. If you wanted to, it wouldn't really make a difference. And the bath itself was quite dated, it was quite old and clunky, just the way it looked. It was not really a nice place to spend time and enjoy. Whereas now, I think, I can't wait to get up in the morning and get in the shower, because I can walk in and get a really nice shower. Spend too much time in there these days, but it's just kind of what I've wanted. The missus loves it. She can have a nice relaxing bath. You can turn down the main light. You can have the ambient light of the mirror on, tone that down as well, and she can just have a nice relaxing bath and chill out from work and the kids. And I'll have to then give her a little bit of serenity. We've shared a few pictures and stuff. A few people have come down and had a look. They came down over the weekend when it was bonfire night, but I think the main excuse was to come see the bathroom for some of them. They've all been blown away by the walls, the fact that the way it is. I think it's quite unique having the micro cement in the walls and the offset with the tiles. It's just, it does take people away. And you come in, you know, the first thing you see is the bath, and it's kind of like a nice thing to look. You turn around, you see the shower, the towels at the wall, and it offsets it even more. There's more to go in the bathroom. So yeah, there's a few jealous family members, I think, and a few others kind of eyeing up in the bathroom. I'd definitely recommend Bathroom House, I really would. We've already recommended Bathroom House, to be fair, to a few family friends who are looking for a bathroom. Great service. You know, really helped us out in terms of trying to supply us some stuff that they didn't have, and you know, going above and beyond in that sense. We've made a few decisions to change slightly tack in terms of what we were doing. We were originally going to get underfloor heating, but we went for a radiator instead. Yeah, really flexible. Any issues we've had, they've helped out straight away. So yeah, 100% definitely would recommend them.